Yes, another video about Gweru City, Gweru Town, this amazing city that I came to know in January when I was passing through going to Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town to do my work, to do my business operations in Bulawayo. So I had to pass through Gweru with my team members as we were going about our work in this other company that I was working for at that particular time. So I passed through Gweru, then I spent about 2 3 days with my team members. But one thing surprised me when I was in Gweru City, Gweru Town in January, end of January 2025, this particular year. When it comes to ZIG, this currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, ZIG in abbreviation or in short, I was surprised at the behavior by these Gweru people, Gweru residents, people staying or living in Gweru. They don't have a problem when it comes to ZIG using or utilizing this currency. Especially the guys or these women that were selling by the street, these street vendors or street workers, or even these businessmen, business women who were doing business in Gweru CBD, Gweru Central Business District, buying and selling, all these people, women or men, whatever gender. I came to know that, it's like they don't have a problem with the ZIG when other Zimbabweans, Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean residents in this country, especially in Bulawayo, talk of even other Zimbabwean cities or towns, people are complaining or have been complaining. Some of people, they don't accept ZIG. Right now, as I talk to you, they don't want it, they hate it, they don't like it because of obvious reasons, economically speaking and financially speaking, for the obvious reasons, they don't want it. But I was surprised to see these Gweru people, these people who are doing buying and selling, these people who are doing a street vendoring, street walking in Gweru CBD business district in the town. They didn't have a problem. You could buy anything using ZIG and they were happy. They would accept it. I'm like, yo, what? What? What's happening here? I was surprised. I was shocked. Remember, it was my first time to be in Gweru town, Gweru City. It was my first ever time in my life to be in Gweru City. The end of January, when I was going via en route, going to Bulawayo. So 2 3 days I had to park there and just see what's happening. So this behavior, when it comes to ZIG, Zimbabwe gold currency, this new currency by the current regime, by the current government, by the current administration, Zimbabwe government, you are surprised at their behavior, at their attitude. They don't have a problem. They accept it. When you're buying fruits, you're buying whatever in a shop, they accept it. Except for except for other shops. Yes, but the bulk of the shops, I saw them accepting that currency. They didn't have a problem. I was surprised. Why was I surprised? Like I said, because other Zimbabwean cities, Zimbabwean towns, they don't accept ZIG. Best example, Bulawayo, or perfect example, Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, they don't accept ZIG. You don't see ZIG in Bulawayo. It's never there, except maybe electronically by cards, bank cards, maybe, but physically, holding by the hands, you don't see ZIG. Never, never. You don't see ZIG in Bulawayo. That's the best example I can give you. That's the perfect example I can give you to solidify and cement my point in this video that in Gweru town, in Gweru city, people were happy with the ZIG. They're so much in love, so much in a good marriage, good relationship with the ZIG. Zimbabwe gold currency. And to me, it was a surprise. To me, it was a shock. If I compare that behavior, that attitude, that acceptance versus the same with people in other Zimbabwean towns, Bindura, Guruve, Mount Down in Rushinga, Mazoe, you understand? Something like that. Okay, you heard me talk about this issue, this subject. What comments do you have? Anything that popped in your mind, in your brain? Please talk to me. Any comment? What's anything? Write, type, drop in the comments box. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. I'm done talking. Peace out.